Good morning, guys. So I don't think I properly ended the vlog yesterday. I don't even remember what was the last thing I recorded, but it's the next day. It's Sunday. I have a lot planned today, and it's already 1 o'clock, so it's kind of terrifying. Like, how am I gonna find the time for all of this? But I will. I will. Right now I just kind of did a flat lay of lashes because I didn't realize how many I have. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, which if you don't, here it is right here or down in the description box, so make sure you go and check it out. I didn't realize how many I had, so I just kind of laid it all out. And these are just like some of more higher end. I don't have high end lashes, but like my House of Lashes, Coco, Beauty Box, Violet Voss, Huda Beauty, things like that brands, like not drugstore or dollar lashes. I kind of had in the flat lay. It wasn't as cute as I thought, so I kind of just did it to my story. At first I was going to make like a whole post about it, but just wasn't cute. But I'll show you here on the vlog. Like, this is not what the flat lay looked like. This is just me trying to organize it to put it back inside of my drawer. Does that make sense? Something on my lip. Ugh, I don't think you guys ever saw me like this, like such a hot mess. But, who cares? So here's just some of my lashes. I have like Violet Voss, Huda Beauty. This is House of Lashes, House of Lashes. This is the Beauty Box. These are all my Coco lashes. I have quite a bit of Coco. I have House of Lashes, House of Lashes. This is the Beauty Box. These four right here are beauty boxes. Can you see these four beauty boxes? And then I have my Allure and Nicole Guerrero collab here. I have three. I love these lashes. These are so pretty. These are 1, 4, 3. One of my new favorite lashes, like of all time, I think it's gonna be of all time, is this one by House of Lashes. It's called Starlit. Oops, I lied. It's called Radiant. Sorry, I was looking at Starlit. It's called Radiant. It is so pretty. It's like so wispy and like it's layered, so it kind of looks like 3D. I don't know, it's just so pretty. I have 6 of them there. And Coco lashes are another one of my favorites. As you can see, like I have quite a bit. Yeah, but this is kind of just like my higher end, if you will, lashes. And then Violet Voss has some really pretty ones too, but they're kind of expensive, so I don't really buy them often. But anyway, I just thought I'd share before I put them back. Which, talking about putting them back, I think I need to do an updated makeup storage. I did one like a long time ago and it was like 40 minutes long. It was a long video and it took forever to edit and upload. But I have a entirely different new organizing system. So I don't know if like it's even interesting. I don't know. It's an Alex drawer, so I feel like everyone knows what Alex drawers are and how to organize makeup in Alex drawers. So I don't know if it's like pointless to do it or if I should do it. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should. But now I need to put all these lashes back and then we need to look presentable because I'm hoping to film videos today. Ugh, it's so weird saying that because I haven't filmed videos in like 6 months, 6 or 7 months, and I just want to get back into it. I think it's exciting, it was fun, and I think my style though is definitely gonna change and like what content is here on my channel because I was very beauty based, which I definitely still want to do, but I just don't have the money to be like testing out new products, buying new products. I think my channel is gonna have to like adapt to maybe tutorials. I don't know, do people even watch tutorials anymore? I feel like no one doesn't, but that's just me. Vlogs, I think I want to like incorporate this aspect into my channel, vlogs, which a lot of you folks were asking for vlogs too. Like I think I did one vlog and it was a really lame vlog, but you guys loved it and you guys really wanted to more. So I definitely want to do more of that, vlogs, tutorials, routines, DIYs maybe. I don't know yet. I don't know what my channel is going to evolve to, but it can't be fully makeup based. I just don't have the money to. And 2018 is supposed to be like a year where I'm going to be better at my finances. Like, knock on wood. Wherever there's wood here. So hopefully I can get that under control this year. It's just like spiraling, and then once you start spiraling, it's just like you keep rolling down the hill, and it's like, when do you stop? 2018 is the year of the stop. We're going to stop. But yeah, I'm excited. So let me go ahead and clean all this up. I have to put this away. I still need to figure out how to better organize it, because a lot of these really nice lashes were like sitting at the bottom of the drawer, and then had like some of my cheaper ones at the top. Cheaper meaning like my dollar ones from Shop Miss A. If you haven't been to Shop Miss A, they have really good lashes for only $1. So if I remember, I'll leave it down in the description box. If not, can someone please comment it down in the comment section? That way I can pin the comment so I can remember. Anyway, yeah, definitely check it out. It's only $1. They're pretty good. I mean, I only use those lashes like once, and then I have to throw them away. I can't keep reusing them like I can with like normal lashes. But for $1, you can't beat it. But another thing too is I usually just buy lashes when it's on sale. You know, Black Friday, Christmas sales, when they're sending out promotions, when things get marked down, things like that. That's kind of when I try to pick up my lashes, because ain't nobody got money to be paying full price for these bad boys. Not today. Okay, so this is my current struggle. I have to get all of these lashes into one drawer. And there's still more lashes in there. And there's all these lashes here. I think I briefly mentioned like the Shop Miss A lashes. These are all my Shop Miss A lashes. They're by the brand Cara. They're really good. I mean, for $1, you can't beat it. But I have a ton there. And all this needs to fit into one drawer. Like, please pray for me. Now here I am, in my natural habitat. Just kidding. I just got done filming some videos. The worst part about filming videos is like cleaning up this mess. But the best part is being like fully beat doing it. Like, I ain't mad at it. I really need to wash my makeup brushes. But I'm so lazy. It's just so much work. I actually have one more video to film. And then I personally hate like uploading stock, like not stock, but like pre-filmed videos. But it's the only way that I can have consistent content, because Lord knows if I did like film, edit, uploads, like we would have a video like once a freaking month, which is not cool. So I just have to like stock up on videos. If not, like I said, it just doesn't work out. This lighting though, I will say though, I filmed a foundation routine, which you'll probably see after this. I don't know. Like, don't quote me on order right now. But the lighting in there was just like wank, like wangos. But now we got the lighting on point. Yay! We finished all the necessary videos for today. It took way longer than I wanted to or anticipated, but we did it. Now it's time to wipe this all off. First step, the lashes. I'm using a new glue. I'm using the dual lash glue. And whoo, this is like cement for your eyes. Super good, but I literally feel like it rips out all my lashes. I love, but it's also hate, how lashes really make a look. Now this is horrible lighting. So don't judge. But But I feel like it really changes the look. Like, I feel like now I look real basic. But anyway, I'm gonna wash this off, clean up, edit these videos, hopefully post something today. I don't know, maybe it might be tomorrow. We'll see. Hopefully something can go up soon because I'm just so excited to have videos again. I was supposed to go grocery shopping today. That didn't happen. Maybe in the next vlog we'll go grocery shopping together. And what else is up this week? That's it. That's my life. Thank you so much for watching, and this was probably a very, very, very boring video, but you endured it, so bravo to you. You get yourself a cookie. Not from me, from whatever's in your closet. Whatever's in your pantry, go and grab it and treat yourself. Because I said so. I'm gonna remove this face. I have two different things that I use. This one is the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. I use this to remove my eye makeup. And then this is the triple action cleansing water for face and eyes from Sephora. I use this for my face. I just put this on a makeup wipe. And this I put on a cotton round. So I'm gonna go do this. And again, this is just gonna be the end of the vlog. If I do vlog something else, then that's cool. And we'll just tack it onto here, but I don't think I will because the rest of my night's not going to be eventful. And it's also getting really late, and I still have so much to do. So I don't know if I have time to sit back down with you folks and chat. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, so this is like completely a different day and not even on the weekend, but I finally did a grocery haul of food. I have two huge bags, and I have two huge bags of things, and I know I promised to do a grocery haul with you folks, so I thought, even though it's not like over the weekend, hopefully it's not too long to just like stick this in with the rest of the vlog. I wanted to do a quick little grocery haul with you. I bought some Punalu'u Bake Shop sweet buns. These are really good with stew, and that's what we have for dinner. I got a bunch of snacks. I was really hungry, and so everything sounded good to me. Have you folks heard of this? This is a Dunkin' Donuts Pop-Tart in the flavor vanilla latte. There was another one there, like mocha something, but I love vanilla latte, so I thought I'd try this. Double stuffed Oreos. I did a like snack try taste test video yesterday, and it was with Oreos, and I mentioned that I love double stuff. So when I saw it, I had to pick it up because I love double stuffed Oreos. I got a bunch of ice cream. Have you folks heard of Skinny Cow? Is this supposed to be like a healthy alternative to ice cream? This is the cookies and cream ice cream sandwich, and I also got this one here. The Next Level Vanilla Caramel. They're a lot more expensive than like normal ice cream. Don't judge my freezer. She's a hot mess. There's one more ice cream somewhere. Here. This is like my all-time favorite like holy grail ice cream of life. Like I cannot... Like this is one thing if I ever have to die I cannot get rid of because it's so good. This is a Ben & Jerry's strawberry cheesecake ice cream. I don't know if it's like normal, but do you ever notice how on top of Ben & Jerry's ice cream, the top layer has so much like filling or flavoring of whatever it is in that container, but then as soon as you get throughout, it's just like plain vanilla ice cream? I don't know, maybe it's just me. I got Pringles because I love salt and vinegar chips. Ugh, I just love chips lately. I got juice. This is just like sweetened lemon iced tea, natural flavors. It's really good. It's the only thing that I'll drink if I'm not drinking soda is like carton juices. So I always like to have these on deck. I just got two of them. I like to get things in pairs. 2 iced tea, 2 chips. I got 2 different ice creams and then the other one. And then I just got some stuff to eat now, like a turkey sandwich and some noodles. I am the laziest person when it comes to food. Like, I like quick and easy. I got cornbread because who doesn't love some good old-fashioned cornbread? I got bananas because I'm trying to be healthy in life. I got tater tots because I love tates and tots. They're so good for just like if you need a little pick-me-up for food, you know, just heat it up, throw some cheese on it. Ooh, and sour cream and salsa, bomb. More of my favorite creamer. This is the International Delight French Vanilla Creamer. I got some milk. We get the plastic bottles of milk because it just lasts a little bit longer than the cartons. I got 2 iced coffees, the Starbucks one. This is vanilla latte and this is caramel macchiato. I usually only drink the caramel macchiato, but they only had one. And so then I got another one just in case they don't stock up in time in order for me before I run out. So I have both. I personally like to use this as like almost like a creamer, if you will. I'll make regular coffee and then use this with it to get like me an iced coffee. But these two are bomb. Again, I prefer the caramel macchiato over the French vanilla, but both are really good. And then the last thing I got is orange chicken. This black orange chicken is like my favorite orange chicken of life. Like I'll even consider them better than, okay, they're not better than Pandas, but they're like a good runner-up. This is the Yang's Mandarin orange chicken. They're so good. So I got 2 because they're on sale. If you don't know what to do for dinner, you just like quickly heat that up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to add this in there because I know I promised to do a grocery haul. And I'm sure people are like curious. Like I'm curious what people buy when they go to grocery stores. Because this just costed me $100 on things that I could probably finish in like a week. Like I don't know. It's so crazy. Like I always think back about the times like when growing up when my mom would go grocery shopping and she would spend like $100, but then she'd make it last like a month, or like she'd get enough things to last 2 weeks or whatever, you know what I mean? And here I am spending $100 on something that's gonna last like a week or even less than that, because I go through these things like water. Like these are my vitamin C during the week for work. I cannot live. And like a Pop-Tart that's Dunkin' Donuts vanilla latte, like I'm quaking. I'm quaking. So now I'm going to clean this up, put this all away, eat something really quick. Again, we have stew for dinner. But I just need something like right now, like immediately. That does not require me to heat up anything or require me to do anything to enjoy it. I know it sounds so lazy, but that's my life. But anyway, I hope you liked it. It's not that exciting, but it's just some things that I like to snack on. As you can see, I love my snacks. And now we're officially closing out the vlog. Bye, guys.